How to reset your body in just 7 scientifically proven. Feeling tired, stressed, or out of balance? It might be time to hit the reset button. A 7-day scientifically backed reset can help you detox, regain energy, and bring your body back to its healthiest state. Think of it as a week to rebuild your foundation for vibrant living. Your body is remarkable. It's designed to heal and thrive. But unhealthy habits, poor sleep, and toxins can disrupt its balance. This simple reset plan focuses on impactful changes in nutrition, movement, hydration, and rest. Let's take the guesswork out of feeling your best. To kickstart your reset, focus on clean, nutrient-dense foods. Swap processed snacks and sugar for whole grains, colorful vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats like avocado or nuts. These foods provide essential vitamins, reduce inflammation, and stabilize your energy levels. Hydration is non-negotiable. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Proper hydration flushes out toxins, improves digestion, and supports clear thinking. Start your morning with a tall glass of water before anything else. Exercise boosts circulation, mood, and overall detoxification. For days 1 and 2, prioritize gentle movement such as yoga, stretching, or a brisk 20-minute walk. This allows your body to adjust slowly and safely without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, it's not about intense workouts, it's about being consistent. Movement helps reduce stress hormones and encourages better sleep. A calming evening stretch session can work wonders for both physical and mental relaxation. Your gut plays a vital role in how energized and balanced you feel. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kimchi, or kefir, and eat fiber-packed options such as berries, beans, and leafy greens. These improve digestion and nourish your microbiome. Reduce foods that harm your gut, like processed sugar, alcohol, and fried items. Pair every meal with a mindful moment. Slow down, chew thoroughly, and enjoy every bite. This reduces bloating and helps your body absorb nutrients better. Quality sleep is a cornerstone of your body's reset. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Dim the lights an hour before bedtime, avoid screens, and create a calming routine such as reading or meditating. This signals your body that it's time to relax. During deep sleep, your body repairs itself, processes toxins, and balances hormones. Without it, the reset won't work as effectively. Treat sleep as the non-negotiable fuel for your 7-day wellness challenge. Stress can undo the best reset efforts. Spend time practicing mindfulness, try meditation, journaling, or simply taking a few deep breaths throughout the day. These practices calm your nervous system and help you stay present and focused. Dedicate time to activities that bring joy, whether it's reading, gardening, or spending time outdoors. Even setting aside 15 minutes for something you love can significantly reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. On day 5, double down on antioxidants to protect your body from cellular damage. Think berries, green tea, and dark leafy greens. These powerhouse nutrients fight free radicals and support natural detoxification. Add turmeric or ginger to your meals for an extra anti-inflammatory kick. A simple turmeric tea or ginger-infused water is perfect for enhancing your reset. You've made it to the final day. Take time to reflect on how you feel. Lighter, more focused, and energized. Journal your progress, noting which changes had the most impact. Use this day to build a plan for incorporating these habits into your routine long-term. Celebrate your success, but don't stop here. This reset is more than a quick fix. It's a stepping stone to an ongoing wellness journey. Keep nourishing your body, prioritizing rest, and cultivating joy as part of your daily life. There's no better time to take charge of your health. Start this 7-day reset and experience the difference it can make in your energy, focus, and overall vitality. All it takes is 1 week to transform how you feel, and the first step starts now. Commit, reset, and thrive. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, like and share to stay updated with amazing content. Thank you for watching.